Hi guys, welcome back to the SoeFoods channel. So I got a request to make red oil soup. If this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe so that you join the family. If you do like the video, make sure to like, share, and comment down below. Alright, let's get to the video. So I'm going with 1 bell pepper, half small onion, and 6 hot peppers. Two garlic cloves, now this is what I'm going with for the meat. I have 4 pig feet, 5 pieces of chicken, 4 pieces of smoked turkey, and about 4 pieces of goat meat. I also add a little bit of smoked fish. Pour that in there. Quarter cup of kettle, and then just the liquid from pressure cooking the meat. I add that to this. It's a total of 4 cups of water. Half teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. One tablespoon of chicken flavor. Bring that to medium-high heat and let it cook down for 30 minutes. So once I let that happen, I will show you guys what the next step is, which is to add the oil. Alright, now it's all ready, and I'm just going to add half cup of palm oil. That's it. That's your red oil soup. It's pretty much pepper soup with palm oil. Now I'm ready to eat. I will see you guys in my next video.